Shantha Group of Institutions, Bangalore, under the leadership of the most popular public servant Sri Dr. K. Sudhakar. The institutions offers academic opportunities for full-term courses to short and long-term training. Around 500 students from various states are pursuing various courses like nursing, with 100 multiple teaching and non-teaching departments comprising of 500 students pursuing graduation, post-graduation, and doctorate courses. The state-of-the academic facilities of Shantha Group of Institutions provide practical training under the supervision of faculty members. At Shantha Group of Institutions, excellence and academic combined with exquisite facilities like sports and games, gym fitness center, digital library, hostel facilities, and also they provide 100% quality placement and merit scholarship can be provided to meritorious students.